What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower. Now you see, I know this battery's about to die this weekend because, because one thing I realized something like this because, this, this blower here is actually, I do like this thing, you can see, still got one more left in our battery, what you can see is that how I expected, so I know this battery's probably going to die this weekend, and you can see, I mean, you can tell this thing's been used almost like quite a bit, but don't, uh, but don't surprise the thing that you could get used almost like quite a bit because you see how much expected this thing is actually sound. How much expected. This is a CMCBL0100 and I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this blower is exactly, which it will be used again this weekend. I know the 600 probably got died and I had to use a 400 battery, which it's not bad in my opinion, which is definitely how much I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely how much expected this machine exactly. And don't surprise the thing that you're gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you can see this blower is going to get used this weekend. And I know that because you see this is a powerful blower in my opinion. It's definitely looks pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but definitely how much expected this blower has been used almost like quite a bit because don't surprise the thing that's easy gonna get used almost like quite a bit because I mean, like I said, this is a CMCBL0100 and you know what? This definitely looks pretty nice looking in my opinion. This machine is exactly. And I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this machine is being used almost like every single time this machine is active because you see how much expected this thing is active, which is definitely how you expected this machine is active. But don't surprise this thing is actually get used almost like quite a bit because you see, I mean, this thing is actually looks pretty cool in my opinion. I do like this thing. I mean, it gets a little loose a little bit, but definitely how much expected this machine is being used almost like quite a bit because well, you know how expected this thing is exactly as you can see because you see how much expected this machine's been quite used a lot of times because you see because it takes a lot of battery power. You can see this definitely how much we expected this blower exactly, which is definitely how much we expected this machine exactly. And I do like this thing a lot because you see how much expected this machine exactly. And you can see how much expected this thing exactly, which it's pretty much what you can see in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing is. So this thing will get used again this weekend again. This is a very nice looking blower.